Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing what's wrong and why, pinpoint pain, clicking, or locked motion. Once you know severity, prepare simple supports. Ice for 10-15 minutes, then warm compresses to relax muscles. Make sure to get soft foods and OTC pain relief if needed, and position your head neutrally to reduce tension. Begin gentle range of motion exercises from the first day, slow, controlled opening and closing, because mobilization prevents stiffness and speeds recovery. Once daily supports are in place, continue with targeted exercises to rebuild control and reduce pain. You do 10 controlled opens and closes 3 times a day, progressing to gentle resistance as pain allows because strengthening stabilizes the joint. Make sure to add isometric holds, pressing the chin lightly for 5-10 seconds to activate muscles without overloading structures. Also, treat causes. Use a night guard if you clench, correct your posture, and lower stress since habits perpetuate dysfunction. To finish recovery, slowly reintroduce regular chewing over 1 to 2 weeks. Start with soft textures, then add firmer foods as tolerated, because gradual loading teaches the joint to handle stress. Make sure to monitor progress. If pain or locking persists beyond 2 weeks, or if function worsens, see a dentist or physical therapist for hands-on evaluation and imaging when needed. If something goes wrong, try alternating ice and warm cycles and temporarily limit jaw opening, then seek professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.